can go faster than you.
I don't think so.
I know. Okay. Oh, we're checking out this cool eagle nest. I think it's around here. Is the eagle nest around here?
Yeah, that's why you slow down.
Yeah, zoom in. Zoom in.
Oh my God, right there. It's in the nest. Oh, look at it. Do you see it up there? Wait, up there to the left. It's sitting there. It's huge. Oh my gosh.
I can't see it. I see the nest, but I can't see the bird.
Right up there.
Bert Larson's brother-in-law.
I can't see it.
I was curious how she was doing. I knew
Oh my gosh, yes, I see it. Oh my gosh.
It's the bird.
I can't see anything on the thing because it's...
I think it's too bright.
But there's an eagle up there.
Elias, get back over here, please.
There's definitely an eagle.
It's sitting up there.
It's definitely.
Oh, I see it. That thing's humongous. That's the biggest bird I've ever seen.
It's humongous.
That's why you're not allowed to go to the doctor without mom or Christmas, or they'll fly out and pick you up and drag you to a
That has actually happened.
That's a baby bird?
What? Hold up, wait. Are you saying that huge thing right there is a baby?
That huge thing is a baby. Wow, that's huge. Yeah,
That's a big baby.
at school.
I don't know if you guys can see it, but...
It looks like a big peach ball. Looks like a rock. Yeah. This is a dangerous place to be. It could pick you up.
They're really nice. They're small dogs. Small dogs.
Oh, small dogs. That eagle can pick up small dogs.
Like what kind of dogs?
Probably weenie dog. And like really tiny, like kind of babies, baby dogs. They're really small. And I think the eagle could pick up a really small dog or a medium-sized dog. I think that's what kind of dog.
Later? You guys said later.
They could pick up anything little. They could pick up anything little.
Like you. And I'd be like, bon voyage.
That probably if they could pick up me, they could pick up Eli
But
or
they
babies.
cannot pick up me.
Yeah, they cannot pick up Eli. Or me. They
What?
can only pick up Eli.
Nuh-uh.
Oh yeah. Probably? Yeah, Eli.